Good morning. I am Maran and from the Science College of Technology. Today we see about an artificial intelligence in robotics. What do you call a machine that look like human and can we act like human certain situation? If you guess the robot, you are correct. And robotics is a field that deals with creation, design of these mechanical humans. And the robotics these days is not only restricted to mechanical electronics domain. Nowadays, robots became a smarter, more efficient with the help of computer science. So, artificial intelligence has played a very major role in increasing comforts human, but also by increasing industrial productivity, which includes that the quantity as well as quality production and cost efficiency. This article gives a short side registration. The importance of artificial intelligence is field of robotics. Let's first address about most basic questions. What exactly is a robot? A robot is a machine capable of sensing and interacting with an environment. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a computer programming mainly focus on the development and analyze the algorithms, which in other means that AI is a computer program that capable of creating machine having its own intelligent behavior. How do robots and artificial intelligence work together? This artificial intelligence or AI gives a robot to a computer vision to navigate, sense, and calculate their reaction accordingly. Robots learn to perform their task from human through the machine learning, which is part of the computer program AI. Since the time John McAfee has coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956. It he has created a lot of sensation. This because AI has the power to give life to robots and empower to take their decision on their own depending on the use and task that the robot has to perform. Different types of AI used. They are followed as week of artificial intelligence. This type of AI is used to create simulation of human thought and interaction. The robot have or the interaction the robots have predefined commands and response. However, the robots to do understand the commands, they do not do work only of the retrieving the appropriate response when the suitable command is given. The most suitable example of this Sri and Axa, the AI deserves the device only executes the task as demanded by the owner. Strong artificial intelligence. This type of AI is used in the robotics to perform their tasks on their own. They do not need the kind of supervision once they program to task correctly. This type of AI is widely used nowadays as many things became automated. One of the most interesting example self-driving cars and, and internet cars. This type of AI is also used in the humanoid robots, which can sense the environment quite well and interact with the surroundings. Also, robotic surgeons are become popular day by day. There is no human intervention required at all. Specialized artificial intelligence. This type of AI is used when the robots need to perform only special tasks. Is restricted only to limited tasks. This includes mainly industrial robotics, which perform specified and repetitive tasks like painting, typing. Artificial intelligence is the electricity of 21st century and it is legal implication or vast challenge. AI is everywhere and impacts many things, include hospital, consumer finance, transportation, related human rights and privacy rights. The aspects of the robotics. The robots have mechanical construction from or shape designed to accomplish a particular task. They have electrical components which power and control the machinery. They are contain some level computer program that determines what, when, how robots do some things. Upward accumulation. Locomotion is the mechanism that makes a robot capable of moving its environment. There are various types of locomotions. Legged, wheeled, combination of the legged and wheeled locomotion. Track, slip, skid. The legged locomotion. This type of locomotion consumes the more power while demonstrating walk up, jump to trot hop, climb up and down, etc. The application of robotics. Robots has been instrumental in the various domains such as industries, military, medicine, exploration, and entertainment. The components of robotics. Robot. Power supply, actuators, electric motors, pneumatic air muscle wires, piezo motors and ultrasonic and sensor. Thank you. Thank you. That's all today's topic. Thank you for giving opportunity.